What's going on, guys, and welcome to another episode of Amazing A-Frames. And this week, I already told you, I think last week and the week before, a brand new delivery arrived. We are still waiting on some more NHL caps because I get it. A lot of you guys were asking for NHL hats and they are still on the way, but this week, I have a lot of new stuff that you guys will like, that's for sure. And without further ado, let's go into this and start with a very special hat. And finally, this is the first drop that we are doing with this logo. And this is the LA Dodgers with the Korean script in the front. And this is on a chrome dome with black button visor. And the logo in the front is embroidered also in black. Then you have the Korean flag on the side, and then you have a black snap on the back. Super clean. Looks amazing. And this is really, really different. And then you got a gray UV and black guts. Absolute beautiful hat. So then, you know, sometimes you need to bring back or create new classics, old classics with new side patches. And I mean, you cannot go wrong with this beautiful Oakland Athletics black and green. This was one of our best sellers, or is still one of our best sellers as a fitted hat. And then you got this time the ace in this beautiful yellow, and you can see this is pops really, really good off the hat. Black dome, dark green button visor, and then you got on the side the Oakland Coliseum side patch. I mean, they have moved out now off the Oakland Coliseum, and this side patch is really, really nice. Look at the golden details. This gold, green, and yellow and white goes so well together. Then you got a dark green snap on the back. You got a gray UV and black guts. The Oakland Athletics with the Oakland Coliseum side patch. And now, you know, sometimes you guys want that we create also takedowns from the 5950s that we are doing. And look at this beauty. I mean, you have already seen that as a 5950, and yeah, the T blacked out. Then you got the Blue Jay in red, and then you look at this bat with this metallic pewter. It shines like crazy. This looks really, really amazing. And everything else is blacked out. The All-Star Game 91 side patch also blacked out. We got a black snap on the back, and we got a red UV. This looks really, really good. And if you know the hook, you know the hook. If you know, you know. So this is now also available as a 940 A-frame. But I have to tell you, we cannot restock this anymore. So if you want to have this, you have to buy it now, as long as it is available, because when it's gone, this one is definitely gone forever, because we cannot do that logo at the time anymore. All right, so let's go ahead. We got a lot of new stuff this week, and I can't wait to show it off to you. So another brand new logo from the New York Yankees. And when we saw this the first time, it was immediately clear we need to do something with that, because this screams New York City. Look at this beautiful black hat. Then you got the New York script in the front with the State of Liberty. And this looks really, really cool. We made the outline in metallic pewter. It gives it a special touch. This pops really, really good off the hat. And then you got the World Series 2000 side patch, also with that mint metallic silver, metallic pewter. It's a beautiful hat. Came out absolutely great. Then you have the New York script on the back, and you got a black snap and gray UVs and black guts. The New York Yankees with the World Series 2000 side patch, new logo, absolutely beautiful. What's next? These are my favorite episodes when I can show off new stuff that I've never shown off before. So, super clean one. We wanted to make this really, really clean. This time, a Houston Astros with the Apollo 11 logo in the front, and you can already see here's a small script on the side, Houston Astros, and in the front, you got this Apollo patch with the metallic silver outline, and look how much details are in this beautiful Apollo 11 front logo. It's embroidered flat, but the details are really, really amazing. Then you got a gray UV, you got black guts, and you got a black snap on the back. The Apollo 11 from the Houston Astros. This is a beautiful, beautiful beautiful hat. All right, so before we come to the final pack, we got another Japanese script, and this time for, look at this, black, metallic silver, and then you got the Seattle Mariners on the side. Screams Ichiro. Look at this beautiful hat. And I mean, what should I say? Noera does such a great job in building the best hats on this planet. They are always amazing. They have such a clean embroidery, and this hat came out absolutely perfect. Script in the front in metallic silver. Then you got the Seattle Mariners as a side patch. Black snap, gray UV, black guts. Beautiful hat. Seattle Mariners dropping also this week at Topperzstore. Now, there are more coming like this, but this is the first of the two that we are dropping, and this is a double pack of Los Angeles Dodgers and New York Yankees. There are more coming. So you got this camel dome with the grape UV. Pops off really, really good of that hat. And you got the 2024 Champions side patch here on the side, also with this grape. It pops off so great of this hat. And the crazy thing is, you can also see here, it's super shiny, right? And I love when those threads came out shiny, even though if they are not metallic, they have a different shine. This looks really, really good. So this is the LA Dodgers. And the second one, last but not least, the New York Yankees. Script in the front with your favorite World Series 99 side patch, and also grape UV, black guts, camel snapback on the back. So these were all the hats from this week that I wanted to show off to you. Which one are your favorites? Which one you going to cop? And let me also know which teams you would like to see next. We are already working on extending NHL and 950 A-frames as well. So check the stores. There's more and more stuff coming. Old stuff is also restocking. We are constantly adding up new hats to the site. If you're new to this channel here on YouTube, I would highly appreciate if you leave a like on the video. This will help the channel a lot, and it will help even more if you hit the subscribe button. I would like to thank you. Join the greatest hat community on this planet. Join the Topperzstore family. And if you want to see more from Topperzstore, visit our site or visit our Discord. You will find the link in the description below. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope to see you next week again to a new episode of Amazing A-Frames. I'm out. Bye.